locked me in here. Seriously?
It was for your own safety. I didn't think it would be a good idea. At least not until you realize you have a problem.
I do not have a problem.
You do have a problem. You've become irrational.
I don't have a problem.
Do?
Don't?
Oh my God, will you listen to yourself? You have a problem and everyone knows it.
What? No, that's just ridiculous. I don't have a problem. I can stop anytime I like. Honestly.
Right. All the managers know you by name now, Karen. There's only so many demands you can make before they get sick of your outbursts. The district manager called. You've been banned due to your behavior. They're scared of what you might do next.
Well, that's just ridiculous.
You told a 10-year-old child that the boogeyman would get him if he didn't help you buy anymore once they refused to serve you again.
You should have seen his face. You know what? Actually, no, that didn't happen. That's a lie.
It's not even fall yet. It's too soon. You have to stop before it consumes your life.
The spice must flow, Paul. The spice must flow.